Hey, y'all know how this shit goes. The Chronicles of Elle and I'm at King Taco Way. I got me some Spanish rice and I got 3 tacos because you know I'm feeling nice. Hot. There go Bear. She ate her food already. And now she not going to let me eat mine. Watch. What's up, Phil? What's up, Phil? How we doing? Look at this little baby. Look at her. She just want to make a mess in this restaurant, y'all. Happy Thursday. Y'all look, they got it's called Afro Uni. I was very offended. I bought it for my baby from CVS. I don't see no nothing named straight haired uni or stringy hair uni. Why she gotta be Afro Uni? You feel what I'm saying? I didn't like that. That bothered me. Nevertheless, I bought it. I bought it for Afro Unicorn. That's exactly what her name is. But let's get into this. $2.39 per taco. You understand what I'm talking about? I don't know how much the rice was, but I tell you what, I'm about to dig in, you know? That rice is pretty nice. Okay. The rice is pretty nice. Let's taste that meat. I don't know how I look. I don't even know if y'all can see me right now. I'm reclining my Android. Let me see y'all. This tastes the salsa. That's like some adobo. That shit is hot. Yeah, damn. Ooh, that's some bionuclear shit. Woo. Look. Oh my god, y'all. Okay, we're gonna do with this. From me. Some Jamaica. Breakfast sauce. Y'all, let me eat because I don't know what's going on back there. I don't know what y'all can see. I don't like being on